Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back with one more resume writing tips video for college student or fresher. I know creating a resume as a college student can be super confusing. How do you make it look cool and impressive when you have got zero work experience? I'm about to share some killer tips and tricks for crafting the perfect college resume with zero work experience. These tips and this example that I have presented here has helped countless students to land their dream jobs. Let's cover this resume section by section and discover how it has highlighted every point that is necessary for the college student. Number 1. Professional summary. Think of this as an elevator pitch. You have got to grab their attention right from the start, as we all know first impression is the last impression. Even if you have no professional experience, you can make this section shine by including your hard skills. Like I have highlighted HTML, CSS, GraphQL, Node.js in this professional summary. Number 2. Courses. You have spent all that time and effort on your education, so show it off. List the relevant online or offline courses that you have taken. Whether it's an university course or something from Coursera or Udemy, it all counts. For example, I have mentioned that I did advanced Node.js and GraphQL from Udemy and advanced JavaScript from Coursera. This shows employers that you are proactive about learning and gaining new skills. It's like saying, I may not have the years of experience, but look at all the awesome stuff that I have learned. Don't stop watching this video, as I will also be showing you the secret to edit the same template and create it as per your qualification. Now let's go on to our number 3, which is internship section. This is your golden ticket. Internships are the closest thing you have got to actual work experience. List each internship you have done and detail every project that you have worked on. Let's say here I have written that I have helped in doing the UX improvement for a student management project, which has increased the engagement time by 20%. Try to show the numerical values, as it shows the better impact. Number 4. Education section. This is not just about listing your school and major. Add some sparkle here. Mention your GPA if it's really impressive. Highlight the key courses that are relevant to the job you are applying for. Don't forget to include any awards or accolades that you have received. For example, here I have mentioned the data structure and algorithm, statistics, computer science principle, which are relevant to the job I am applying for. Number 5 is the skills section. Mention in all the hard and soft skills that you know you are capable of. Number 6 is the extracurricular activities. This is the show of time. So do not hesitate to mention in any of the extracurriculars that you did, as you are new to this industry. This will really help the recruiter to know your personality. Last but not the least, do not lie in your resume. Mention only the things that you are actually aware of. Otherwise, even if you get shortlisted, you will be rejected in the interview round. So do not lie in your resume. Now let's cover the most awaited part of the video. How can you create the same resume as the sample resume for free? Before moving on to this section, let me give you the bonus. Check out our blog, where we have created more than 10 college student templates, including ones for nurse, sales associates, software intern. You can edit all these templates according to your qualifications by simply click on the edit button in the blog. Now let's cover our major topic, how you can edit the template that I have explained. Simply go on to the template link in the pinned comment and edit the same resume in our Insta resume builder as per your qualifications, and you are done. Download the resume and apply for your dream job. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and college mates, and please subscribe to our channel for more such content.